Welcome to my channel पढ़ाई करो. Here we are going to learn more Hindi letters. If you want to learn more, then you need to like and subscribe my channel. नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, नमस्ते ऑल. आज हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं हिंदी क्लास 1 के आगे के लेटर्स. नमस्ते. Today we are going to learn some more letters of class 1. Yes, previously we have already learned a, e, u, u. So today we will start our class with the activity. आज हम लोग हमारा क्लास एक एक्टिविटी से शुरू करेंगे. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ लेटर्स दिखाई दे रहा है. Here you can see some letters. Yes. So in our previous class we have learned some letters. What you have to do is you have to find out which all letters we have already learned. Yes, मतलब हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं कुछ लेटर्स. वो कौन से लेटर्स हैं जो हम पढ़ चुके हैं, तो हम लोग फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ये मैंने ऑर्डर में नहीं लिखा है. हियर एंड देयर आई हैव रिटन हियर. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट. So we will give a circle which all letters we have already practiced in our previous video. Yes. Okay, so what is this letter? Oh, you don't know. So we have not. So we will give a circle and we'll put a cross. Which letter we have already? Which letter we have not practiced? That letter we'll put a cross. Yes. And this is what? I have told you, right? So it's a circle. What is this letter? Is U. Yes, we have learned in our previous video. हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं इसको. So it's a circle. Is this letter you know? No, you don't know. So we will put a circle and we'll put a cross here. हम इसको नहीं पढ़े हैं अभी तक हमारे previous video में. अभी ये जो letter है हम पढ़े हैं. Yes, we know this. Yes, we know. E. What is this? E. This is what? E. I told you last class, right? E say Eid. So yes, this one is yes. Okay, what is this letter? We don't know. Okay, good. So we'll put a circle and we'll put a cross. This letter we know? No, we don't know. We have not practiced in our previous video. Yes? Good. So it is a circle and a cross because we don't know this. And what is this letter? This is the first letter. ये पहला letter है हमारा हिंदी का, right? कौन सा लेटर है? अ. सो विल पुट अ सर्कल. हम एक सर्कल लगा देंगे. ये कौन सा लेटर है? हमने पढ़ा नहीं है, राइट? वी हैव नॉट प्रैक्टिस दिस इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो. सो सर्कल एंड क्रॉस. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? वी डोंट नो. इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव नॉट प्रैक्टिस्ड. सो सर्कल एंड अ क्रॉस. So how many letters we have practiced? Okay, another letter is there. Here it is. We don't know this. I'll teach you circle and cross. So where here we got, okay, one letter I have left. Yes, it's ooh. Yeah, this letter also we have practiced. Can you see? Yeah. So it is a circle here. Okay. So how many letters we have practiced in our previous video? See here the first one. It is the first one. A. This is the second one. A. This is the third one. E. The fourth one is E. Fifth one is U. And the sixth one is U. So these are all the letters we have practiced in our previous video. I hope you like this activity. So now we are going to learn letter R. Let's see how to write letter R. So for that what we will do is we'll give a standing line. First is the standing line. Then K we used to write in English this side, right? So the opposite side we will write here. Opposite side K you can remember like this. ऐसे opposite K लिख रहे हैं आप, ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं. उसके बाद यहाँ पे look at me like this. Again another opposite side 3 like that. If you are writing, then it is letter R. And I told you, right? Sleeping line is must. Sleeping line हमें देना पड़ेगा हिंदी में. So ये कौन सा लेटर हो गया? री. र आई how we will sound री. So the sound is री. री से Ri say Rishi. Okay. Next is A. It's very easy. A. See here. One small standing line first. Okay. Then we'll do like this. Little bit curve. Slanting line but little curve. Then another standing line will close it. Right. See here. So what is this letter? A. How I wrote is one standing line. Then a slanting line with little curve. Then a standing line again. Yes. It is letter A. A say ek. In Hindi we say right ek, do, teen, char, panch. The first letter is A. A say ek. So that sound A. Another letter is I. See, it is very easy. Same A we have to copy here. First see here we will write A. Then we will give a like this. We'll write like this. Okay. See here. Some people write slanting line over here. That is also correct. If you'll give a little bit curve here also very it's okay. It's correct. आप अगर ऐसे curve देंगे तब भी ठीक है. So ये क्या हो गया? I हो गया. I से क्या है? I. How the sound is? A, E. I. I say ainak. Okay. So we will not say ainak. We'll say ainak. Ainak matlab chasma, goggles. Yes. So I say ainak. So let's recap. What is this? Re, A, I. So when you are seeing the video, you need to repeat after me or repeat with me. Very good. Next letter is what? O. O. So how to write O? It's very easy. ये बहुत ही आसान है O लिखना. ये देखिए. पहले तो हम हिंदी का अ लिख लेंगे. हिंदी का अ लिखने के लिए what we have to do? You know, 3 we have to write. We have to give a sleeping line here. Then a standing line, right? So what is this? A, right? So we will put a. So another standing line. Then here it is there, right? The same thing we'll put here. एक पोनी ऐसा छोटा सा दे देंगे. ये क्या हो गया? ये O हो गया. क्या है ये? O. Now the next letter is O से क्या होता है? O से O's. Another is O. Here see again we will write a. Then another standing line. Then a sleeping line which is must. जो कि बहुत ही compulsory है हमारे हिंदी में. उसके बाद here see here we have written O. Here same O we will write. Clear? Now what we will do? We'll go give same once more. Yes, see here. And from here we have to start. From this dot only. So here it is like this. Okay. This letter is O. The sound is A, U. O. Aurat. Aurat. Aurat means woman. Some people pronounce it Au. Aurat. No, it's not correct. O. Aurat. Okay. So, Ri, A, I, O, O. Ri say Rishi. Rishi matlab this is sage. Yes. What is this? Rishi. This letter is Ri. This is A. A say ek. Ek. Ek means I said one. One in Hindi is ek. This is I. I say ainak. What is this? Ainak. Here O, S. O means dew. See the small droplets are here. That is O's. कोल्ड की वजह से सुबह जो ओस गिरते हैं ना उसे बोलते हैं ड्यू ओस. औ से औरत. औरत means woman. Recap once more. A से एक. I से ainak. O से ओस. औ से औरत. So अभी हम लोग recap करेंगे. Now we'll do a recap. So what we learn, what all letters we have practiced. A, I, U, Ri, A I O ow. So we practice this much letters. आप लोग भी प्रैक्टिस करिए घर में. If you like my class then don't forget to comment also. अगर आपको मेरा क्लास अच्छा लगा तो कमेंट करना मत भूलिए. Thank you. Next class we'll learn more letters. Then we'll go for consonants.